So the sirens are going off. It's been a cool day with thunderstorms.
Welcome to Texas.
And now the door blew open in our backyard. So I came outside and it was nice and hot and balmy. So I'm assuming the wind is now blowing strong enough to push the wind, the clouds, and the hot air into our house. But it's very, very warm outside and it's been cold all day. We already bunkered down once and the sirens stopped, so that's why we're looking again. Our plan is to put all the animals in one bathroom and then we will all go in the bathroom by the
It is moving
in our master bedroom in the toilet area, which is underneath the fireplace and the
to be a comet or meteor.
Fireplace and stairs. So that seems to be our safest option. So anyways, if you can watch, the clouds are moving pretty fast. The trees aren't blowing or anything crazy. It's just the wind's really high, which is probably where the wind needs to be for a tornado to...
It is moving too slowly to be a comet or meteor.
So the kids are freaking out because they think they're gonna die, so we're just trying to explain to them, you're not gonna die, we're just gonna go hide in our bathroom and eat carrot cake cupcakes from Costco.
I gotta go put those chicken nuggets.
Anyways, oh yeah, we're gonna make chicken nuggets. Apparently they're almost done. But here we go. Texas tornado #1.